Yes, I presumed as well that it had to do with the GATE program, the Advanced Placement Program. Right, sadly enough, right, the state gives a great deal of money for, and the federal too, right, a great deal of money for underachieving kids, but not for those who need to be truly, truly challenged. We get a very modest amount. And we do have a GATE program that tries to stretch those thin dollars, right, as well it might. We also have a wonderful resource in community in the Cabrillo College, right, which students can also attend. And when I was first on the board, this was not, it really encouraged, it was not common. Now it is done just, as appropriate, right, and students can be met that way. Right, but whatever, right, we do strive, again, with the dollars that we have, right, to see to it that we bring as much and as many enriched programs to those students who are also special needs.
Bruce?